Welcome to the VectorVest special presentation, this week titled Daily Action Plan for Making Money. My name is Todd Shaffer. I'm the Manager of Research for VectorVest, and I'll be your presenter this evening. The VectorVest Model Portfolios are a collection of complete trading systems that remove all the guesswork from investing and deliver phenomenal investment results. Each system provides you with quick, precise answers for when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. They are by far the easiest ways to take advantage of all that VectorVest has developed in our more than 30 years of stock market experience. You can see the model portfolios in the program on the Portfolios tab. Let's take a look. Here we are on the Portfolios tab, and we see down the left margin we have the 6 model portfolios listed. Model portfolio number 1 is highlighted in orange, and so the details of this portfolio now are presented here on the right side of the page. Once you've decided which of the portfolios you'd like to track, trading along with it is easy using the action plan gadget that you'll find on the timing tab within the program. So the model portfolios action plan gadget here on the upper right is the one that we want to use, and I'm going to click it to open the wizard. In the wizard, I simply identify which of the portfolios I've decided to track, for instance, model portfolio number 1, and now the daily execution of this trading plan is as easy as 1, 2, 3. When to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. This information, of course, is driven by the trading system running in the background. The trading system's market timing system is telling us that it's okay to open new positions, and here are the top stocks that were returned by the search identified in the trading system. You simply buy the top stocks that you don't already own. If you'd like, you can click the graph link, take a look at the stock graph, and if your VectorVest account is linked to one of our trading partner brokerages, you can use the Trade Now button to generate an order ticket right from the VectorVest program. And then finally, if I close the graph, come back to the wizard, we're going to trade these positions with a profit locker 50% target and a 15% loss. So the first thing to decide is which portfolio would you like to trade, which is the right one for you. Well, it'd be nice to know how they performed in the past. So let's turn back to the portfolios, and let's begin with the portfolio performance button at the bottom of the portfolios toolbar. Here's a list of all the performance metrics for the portfolios, and I've sorted the list alphabetically. And you can see each of them have been running for some time now. All of these were developed over a 2-year period using our backtesting methodology by our staff and have been trading real time from that time forward. And we can see broadly that most of them have been achieving winning trade percentages in the mid 40%. The trade commissions have been accruing, but of course, as more and more brokerages have now moved to commission-free trading, we'll see those commission loads lighten even more, and we've been able to achieve nice double-digit gains on an annualized basis, showing us some consistency of performance over time. But I've also noted that the max drawdown numbers have edged higher this year with the market correction into the end of last year. So these are the macro performance numbers since the inception of the portfolio. But let's also take a look at the equity curve of the portfolio, in particular how the portfolio has performed in the near term, particularly this last year. So remember, we had the market correct into the end of 2018. So this portfolio is up off of its lows from the beginning of 2019, although its equity curve has flattened for the balance of the year. Portfolio number 2 has fared a little bit better after the pullback, has continued to rise off of those lows, and is continuing to rise currently. Model portfolio number 3 again had a bigger correction with that market pullback is up off the lows. Model portfolio number 4 has been the most challenged this year after pulling back on the correction, rose into the summer but has really pulled back in this most recent market action. So it certainly has suffered the biggest pullback, just now getting back to where it was at the beginning of the year. Model portfolio number 5 pulled back like the other portfolios but has really advanced nicely in this year. Probably the best advance of the portfolios we've seen so far, and it continues to appreciate. And finally, the Moneymakers portfolio, up nicely off its lows, had a little bit of volatility here late summer, but has resumed its uptrend after the pullback. So number 5 may be your best candidate at this point, but let me show you how to dig a little bit deeper to make sure that portfolio number 5 is a good fit for you. In the reports function, there are several reports here that will help you analyze how this portfolio has made its gains. Let's first look at our trade history. Here are the trades sorted by their opening date in chronological order. When you see the name has disappeared, that stock has been delisted, although we have retained the trading history. Let's resort this by percentage price change. That'll bring the biggest gainers to the top of the list. We've been able to make these large double-digit gains because we're letting our winners run. If I scroll down the list, we'll go from our winning trades into our losing trades. And scrolling to the bottom of the list, I do have double-digit losers as well. Although I do notice that a large percentage of those winners are short positions. So yes, this trading system does short stocks, so that's something to consider. But let's take a look at the roll-up of this trading history. Going back to the portfolio, we'll go to the Reports tab, and let's look at the summary report. We noted initially that portfolio number 5 had an annualized rate of return just under 20%. The summary report is giving us some of our macro numbers for the performance right up to today. And we see that overall the portfolio is up 118%, but this year, this calendar year, up 30.14%. In the winners losers section is the roll-up of all the trade history that we saw on that report. So overall, our long positions, we've had 43% winners, our short positions 42% winners, which gave us a 42% winning trade percentage for our closed positions. With the current open positions in the portfolio, that goes up to a 45% winning trade percentage. So how do you make money when you have a 45% winning trade percentage? Well, you make sure that your winners outstrip your losers by more than 2 to 1. And we are certainly doing that. So as we scroll lower, of course, we have been assessing commissions on this portfolio. There we have the equity curve. And I want to note that the highest the portfolio value has been was on the 26th of this month at 218,759. The lowest value was below our 100,000 starting benchmark. So the portfolio does pull back. Nothing goes straight up, right? It does have these pullbacks. But we know from our roll-up that that pullback on this portfolio has never exceeded 14%. And here we can see the analysis of the current diversification of the portfolio, both by position size of individual stocks, as well as our diversification across industries. So with these insights of how the portfolio has been performing, let's see how it's been done by looking at the trading details. I'll click the details link. And these are the details of the trading system running in the background. Remember, we can go to the action plan to tell us what to do on a daily basis. That guidance is simply executing the rules of this trading system. So if you want to keep this really easy, just follow the daily action plan. But if you like to know what's going on under the hood, this model portfolio is using the RT Kicker Combo market timing signal. When that signal generates an up situation, we buy long from a search named WFIC-SKR long. This was the Worry-Free Investing Challenge, which was a subscriber contest. SKR was one of the better performing searches from that contest. Proof of some of the benefits we get from running those subscriber contests. This contest in particular was looking for winning trading systems using high RS searches. We're managing those positions with our profit locker stops with a 100% target, so that's how we got those 90% gains, because we let our winners run, and a 15% initial stop. For those long positions, we're going to try to maintain 10 positions in the portfolio at all times. When we first enter this situation, when we get a RT Kicker Combo green light, we're going to close any open positions that were opened during the down or neutral signals, in this case just the down signals. So when the market condition changes from a downtrend to an uptrend by virtue of our first RT Kicker Combo green light, we'll close all of our shorts. We're going to invest the average portfolio value, so we'll adjust our new position sizes relative to the value of our portfolio. We'll buy odd lots to maximize those positions. We won't repurchase any stocks that we currently own, and we won't buy more than 10% of the stock's average volume. For the downside, when the RT Kicker Combo is confirming the red lights, we're going to sell short stocks from the Nomo Mojo down 5 days search. We're going to manage those positions with a 50% gain or a 20% stop loss. Here also we'll try to maintain 10 positions, and we're going to automatically replace any positions that stop out as long as we're still in a down situation. However, when we enter this situation, we're not going to close any of our long positions. So this is a hedging approach. So if we had a basket of 10 stocks and one stops out, I'll short one position if the situation is down. This lets us start hedging the portfolio with more and more short positions as any downtrend lengthens in time. Again, we'll size our positions at the current portfolio average value, shorting odd lot sizes. We won't repurchase any stocks that we currently own, and we won't trade more than 10% of the stock's volume. When the market timing signal indicates a neutral condition, as it does currently, then the portfolio takes no trading action. We simply manage the open positions with the prescribed stop loss criteria. And so that's where we find ourselves today. If I close the trade details, we see the timing signal is in neutral, so we're not trading any stocks. Here are the stocks currently held in the portfolio. Let's sort them by ROI. We see that we have 8 winners, 2 losers, and look how the system has let these winners run well into some strong double digits. If we scroll back to the left, we can see that Sherwin-Williams is the oldest trade since 2017. The majority of those, though, have been taken on in 2019. And that's one of the major benefits of using these model portfolios, particularly for the new investor. It helps you be patient and to relax. Most of the positions on today's down market action, this is looking at real-time data here on Friday the 29th, a lot of these stocks are pulling back a little bit today. We don't need to panic about it. The system is taking care of that, and I can rely on the system because it's been doing so well over time. Again, scrolling over to look at the right-hand ROI, I have 2 positions that are in loss currently. But I don't have any anxiety over those losses because I know my winners are greatly outpacing any losing trades that I have, and I will have losing trades. Also note that by scrolling over to the right hand edge, we've seen now the applied stop criteria and the current stop value for that stop regimen. This is the value that I can place with my brokerage if I choose. I could also choose to have the system send me an alert when that particular stock has met its stop criteria. So folks, to sum it up, these model portfolios are a collection of complete trading systems that remove all the guesswork from investing and deliver you some great results as easy as 1, 2, 3. And that just goes to show you that successful investing does not have to be hard, particularly when you have the right tools and the right information. And we at VectorVest are very proud to have been doing exactly that for over 30 years. If you would like more information, I invite you to contact our product support team, always ready to help you. And with that, we'll wrap up our presentation.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.